Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to request a refund on Roblox to get your Robux back fast. First, open your browser, log into your Roblox account, and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Violations and Appeals, scroll down, and click on Support to open the support form. Fill in your actual account username, your name, and your email address. Under Device Details, select the platform you use, like PC. For the Help category, select Purchases using Robux. In the next drop-down, choose Marketplace Item Purchase if you bought clothing or accessories, or In-Experience Item Purchase if it was an in-game item. In the description box, write a simple message stating you purchased the item by accident. Provide the item's name and request a Robux refund. Click Submit. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email and hit Send. Roblox Support will review your ticket and credit the Robux back to your account. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.